in Delhi and Maharashtra. Ladies and gentlemen, Delhi has recorded 1,149 new cases and one death in the last 24 hours. The positivity rate currently stands at 23.8%. In Maharashtra, 1,115 new COVID cases have been reported with 9 deaths and 560 recoveries in the last 24 hours. Active cases stand at 5,421 in the state of Maharashtra. That's the piece of breaking news that's coming in. The COVID alarm in these urban hotspots, namely Delhi and Maharashtra. As we can see in Delhi, the COVID caseload has crossed the 1,000 mark. If we look at cases per day in the last 24 hours, 1,149 cases and one death. This has happened in the last 24 hours with a positivity rate currently at 23.8%. In Maharashtra, 1,115 new COVID cases have been reported with 9 deaths and 560 recoveries in the last 24 hours. Active cases currently stand at 5,421 in the state of Maharashtra. So that is the COVID alert from Delhi and Maharashtra. As we are seeing that people have been encouraged to follow COVID appropriate behavior to ensure that this recent surge in cases doesn't escalate. I'm joined by my colleague Rupashri Nanda, who tracks the Delhi government. Rupashri, give us the details.
Well, yes, around 1,150 cases have been reported today. The positivity rate is also very high, has crossed 20%, and one death has been reported. Remember, in the past week or so, the Lieutenant Governor's office also had a meeting, and Delhi Chief Minister also had directed the Health Minister to hold a meeting on COVID preparedness in the national capital, and following that, he himself had chaired another meeting. So the government is actually not extremely alarmed because the number of occupancy, the number of beds occupied in the hospitals is still very low, and the number of deaths that are being reported are largely because of comorbid conditions. And therefore, this wave of COVID or corona that we are seeing now is not perceived to be very fatal. But it remains to be seen what course it takes from now on, whether the cases continue to rise, and if the number of deaths also would go up, as one death has been reported today, then perhaps it would be a very big cause for concern. But as of now, things are under control.
Right, so things are